5:45. Our first break today.
Yes, first break.
What did we achieve, people? So we took off almost everything.
Almost everything.
But one coilover.
One coilover and well, the upper control arm on the driver's side, I almost took it off. Then we had another upper control arm.
And we welded the...
Kind of there. We welded the spindle.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, we're getting there. We're probably gonna be done in a week. But our week is gonna be ending tomorrow. So tomorrow will be done.
Probably St. Patrick's Day.
This
March
guy right here is probably walking home, but it's okay.
Can you guys drop me off at the train?
Yes.
Actually, that's a good idea.
And Adam is having fun here. He's playing,
Not-
eating,
Not doing his math
and
homework.
not doing his math classes. Yes, you bet. All right, so we gotta get back to work. Hey! All right.
All right.
Yes. That took some time.
One bolt.
One bolt. Here is the bolt.
My welding lens dropped out.
Your what?
My lens dropped out and it broke.
What's up?
Oh shit.
Success. Yeah. So let's be.
Morning, day 2. Patrick is super upset. I don't show it, but I'm a little bit upset. Yeah, he's super upset. We got wrong parts. We started to assemble the kit because everything is ready and painted, but we got the kit for older FJ 0709, and that means different diameter on the sleeves, right here, and that means different diameter on the tie rods, right there. Extensions, yes. So we are lucky, however, because we have this guy here that just happens to have all the parts in his workshop, just everything.
Old kits I took off and I happened to save them.
Now, what are the chances that he'll just keep different parts? And we just need those. So we probably gonna be fine that the tire extensions are a little bended and a little shorter, but we can make it work. So the goal is to make it back home by the end of the day, and I think we're good for now.
We should be able to do 300 miles on bent tie rods.
Yeah.
Better than no tie rods.
Better than not. Yeah, you can steer with bended tires. So far looks good. Day 2, we started. All right, so it was kind of boring and too easy, the install. So Dirt King decided to give us wrong setup, and we're trying to make it work, and we were lucky, as we said, but not that lucky. So what we're trying to do now is to fit that sleeve into that bushing. The OD here is at least 1 millimeter bigger than the ID here. So that's how we make it work. I'll just show you. And yes, it will not be perfect and round, but all we have to do is to make 300 miles home and then order the right set of bushings and replace. All right.
So I guess I'm driving back the 4Runner?
If Adam is an Audi, I can drive it.
Yeah. No, I'll drive it.
And done. Okay. The bushing is in. I feel like I'm a celeb. Getting all the pictures.
It's there.
Perfect. So Kai, short is to stretch the bolt perfectly right.
Right.
But it's a different bolt.
Yeah, it should
Right?
it should be a single.
Alright, so we are going to talk about your 12.5 inches.
I have 12.5 inches.
So we're gonna cycle that wheel right now. We just did a little bit pre-test and it seems like we have to limit the up travel. So we're probably gonna have effective 12.5-ish inch of travel. Let's show you guys how it's done. Right. Right, it's done.
Is this tight? So this side is done.
This side is done. Well, brakes need to be tight and zip tight, and that's it.
How do you...
The first time dropping on its own weight. Ooh.